What's up, y'all? So today I'm using Loopad, and I'm going to try to make a new beat here. So hope you enjoy it, and make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Alright, so first I'm going to play around with a few sounds, and then I'll start to try to put something together. I like this beat right here. Let's check out some of the other sound features they got down here. I think I'm just gonna stick with the beat I had before. I like this a little better. I like this. I like how this sounds. Alright, I think I got what I want now. Let's start over and start it from the top now.